Good afternoon, everyone. It is November 4th, second week in a rifle season, and I'm doing a little still hunting this evening. I'm going back into an area that I've shot several deer in and jumped several nice bucks. So I'm going back in there. It's like 2 o'clock, so I've got like 4 hours to hunt. I'm just gonna spend half the time going in, paying close attention, and just slowly walk in, maybe do some calling. But that's the plan. Didn't want to sit in a stand this evening. I was getting antsy this morning. It's just I don't have the patience for it. So there's no snow on the ground, so I'm not tracking, but I'm just gonna go do some still hunting. Hopefully I can kill a big one, but stay tuned. I'm hunting these ridges. It's kind of like this, and it's just like it's a rise and then a valley, and it's pretty consistent all through here. It's just this long stretch of a ridge, and so my hope is to jump one off its bed. Hopefully I can get a shot at it, or if I see it before it sees me, that'd be even better. But it's hard. The leaves make a lot of noise right now, so if you sound like a deer, you might get away with it, but we'll see. Check this out. Pretty exciting to see that. It's a big deer. I mean, it's a huge scrape. I don't know if someone made it, but I'm kind of in the middle of nowhere, so I doubt it. But it's not too fresh, but boy, that's awesome. Those gray squirrels got my heart racing. Man, that sounded like a deer until they started racing around. Then I was like, something's up. Hear that? They're so loud. They're so loud. Killed one. I got one. Thank you, Lord. Oh no. That was crazy. 3 does just came running in. I was on a deer trail and there were so many tracks, and these 3 doe came running in and I chose the biggest one. Oh man. Oh, this is what I needed. That's for sure. There she is. Nice healthy doe. Deer running around everywhere. I knew I'd find them. Oh man, I'm pumped. Gotta get her out of here. Wow, she's big. She's a big doe. But yeah, okay. Oh, okay. Well, we got it. Cam Hanes is built different, that's for sure. I fireman carried her like 30 yards up this ridge. Should really find out where I'm going first. Well, just got the deer back home. It looks like I wrestled it to death, but I actually just tried to fireman carry it and it just got blood all over me, so let's head out. Here she is, big doe. But
yeah,
she's a big doe.
nice doe.